G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a walk around tour for something a little bit different with so many extras. I'll try and list as many as I physically can as we go through the video. It is a Triton GLX ADAS package, so please take note. This Triton has a 2-inch lift with Bilstein shockers, your Dunn and Watson steel tray, rad steel replacement front bar with underbody protection, Tradesman locker body with rear ladder, removable locker body with your jack-off stands, which I'll show you throughout the video, Legendex side steps, rear adjustable sway link, Rhino roof rack, STEDI driving lights, Runva Winch, tow bar, electric brakes, Snorkel, extended mirrors, your King's 12-volt setup in the locker body, Lithium second battery and DCDC charger, King's fridge, King's slider drawer, Mickey Thompson's and Sunraysia's, your underneath your underbody water tank, solar panels, iDrive throttle controller. The list goes on. There's so many goodies on this utility, which will really keep it different to a lot of the vehicles you're looking that are out there. So I'd say there'd be over 20 to 30 grand or 25 to 30 grand's worth of goodies that have been spent on this vehicle, and we're lucky to have it at Your Next Car In Officer. Definitely will not last long. Utilities with all these goodies really sell very quickly, hence why I'm doing the video as it's come in. So all we've done so far is detail the vehicle. Roadworthy is yet to be completed, but as you'll see from the car as we walk around the video, the vehicle presents really, really well. So we'll start from the front of the vehicle. You'll see we'll have that Rhino roof rack fitted, your Snorkel with your extendable mirrors. It does have the weather shields fitted and also your window tint. Coming down to your front door section, really clean condition, beautiful condition in that rear door as well. All the way through, you'll see your Legendex side steps which are fitted. It does have the side flares also, so Legendex steel side steps. Your front flares also fitted, give it that tough aggressive look. Your Mickey Thompsons with your Sunraysia, so plenty of tread left on those tyres. And then coming around to the front end of the vehicle is your rad steel replacement bull bar. So that replacement is your lower bumper bar section. It does have the underbody protection, which I've got photos on the website, which is underneath your rad underbody protection. Your STEDI driving lights with your Runva Winch. If I'm getting tired already, so many features. So really clean condition. Sorry the sun glare in the back, but as you see, paint condition of the bonnet, really clean throughout. Has been cared for really well. We're lucky again to have this vehicle. So again, please don't leave it too long if you're after a Triton with these extras. They do sell very, very quick. Again, your front flares fitted, down to your Mickey Thompsons with your all-terrains. Again, plenty of tread left on those tyres. Sorry about the sun glare, we'll try and get out of that sun glare if we can. Coming to the passenger side front door, again your Legendex side steps in great condition. And then coming up to your paint condition on that passenger side, really clean throughout. Weather shields, again with your extended mirror there also as well. Coming to the back end of the vehicle, this is where it gets fun. Again, your Mickey Thompsons with your Sunraysias there on the back end of the vehicle. Your Dunn and Watson lower steel tray with your lower toolbox. Your Workman Tradesman body, which is removable, so you can take that box off the rear section as well. The jack-off stands are inside, and we've done some photos of them on the website also as well, but I'll show you them in the back section here. Again, you've got your King's fridge. So all the King's option, King's fridge, King's lower locker box, also your King's 12-volt setup inside the locker body there. So a lot of money has been spent, especially with King's of course as well. Coming back into the vehicle, you do have your jack-off stands just there. So all those are there for the vehicle. Your wheel brace for the back section of the actual body of the locker body, so you can actually put your tyre on the back section of the vehicle. So we've kept that there in case you want to put a tyre to the back end of the vehicle. We'll shut that locker body and we'll come around to the back end of the vehicle. Again, your wheel brace, if you want to put it, will go just on here. So it has been taken off because it does have internal walling, so you can pop it on if you want to take that internal walling off as well. Your rear ladder, again on the back of that body, to take that ladder down, just that lever, which will take you up to the sole on the roof. So really handy having that rear ladder. So you can put a roof mount tent as such, but again, you do have your solar panels, which again are King solar panels just up the top there. So King solar panels. So a lot of money has been spent on this vehicle, especially with all the King's options. Pull that back there, hopefully. And then continuing on with the back. So again, that rear tradesman locker body is removable. So you'll see your Dunn and Watson steel tray is kind of this lower section here, and that Tradesman box will basically come off, and the jack off stands will go just here and also to the front end of the vehicle. So opening this side of the driver's side of the body, we'll open those up so you can see that. So again, your jack off stands in the back section, so that flows all the way through, and then your secondary box on the driver's side, sorry about my sun glare, is basically a car storage compartment, so gas bottles or whatever it may be, you can pop that back in there, so it is lockable as well, so really, really handy. And then coming to the back end, again, your Mickey Thompsons and your all-terrain, so plenty of tread left on those tyres, and your rims are in great condition as well. Just to shut that locker body, really easy, just one-handed, makes it a bit easy, so you don't have to worry about two hands. And then continuing on with the paint condition on the back door, really clean throughout, beautiful condition. I'll open that rear door just to show you through the interior as well. Sorry about the sun glare in the background. So just your door card on that driver's side. Being the GLX, it does have the vinyl flooring and just your cloth interior. Sorry about the sun glare again. So just behind your seats, so no tears or splits in the carpet interior. Over to that passenger one as well. Sorry about my reflection there, my ugly head. Door card on that passenger side, and then coming back to your seats again, just show they're in great interior also as well. Just a tough looking utility, and I have got the ute running in the video, so you can hear it run throughout the video as well. So door card on that driver's side. Internally, there's your iDrive throttle controller just on the inside here. All your features be part of your ADAS package. So lane departure warning, you do have your electric brakes there also. With your seating, sorry, door card on that passenger side, sorry it's a bit sun glary again. Your seat on that passenger front, and then coming back to your seat on the driver's side. Again, really clean condition, no stains or tears. Again, presents really, really well. So I'll jump inside the car, just give you a few features internally, if I can get in, hopefully. All right, so current kilometres as we speak is 155,263. So they're the current kilometres as we speak. Cruise control on the right-hand side of your steering wheel, your volume control and your source button for your stereo system to the left. Over to the middle, it does have a dash mat, which you'll see just there as well. So dash mat fitted. Again, your AM, FM radio. Again, reverse camera will come up on that screen as soon as you select reverse. Bluetooth compatibility, of course. And then coming back down to your air conditioning. Fantastic condition. Automatic transmission, your 4x4 drive button. So really, really such a good looking utility, a tough looking utility, but just has had a lot of money spent on it. So please take note when you're comparing to other Tritons, the comparable stuff that this has compared to other ones on the market will be very hard to compare to. So it's been a pleasure to take you through this video on our 2018 Triton GLX ADAS package. Again, thousands and thousands and thousands of money spent on the vehicle with all the optional extras. I apologise if I have missed any. We do have a list on the website of all the extra features. But again, just to take note, the vehicle comes with a 2-inch lift with Bilstein shockers, Dunn & Watson steel tray, Brad steel replacement front bar with the underbody protection, which looks great. Removable locker body with the jack-off stands, Legendex side steps, rear adjustable sway link, Rhino roof rack, STEDI driving lights, Runva Winch, tow bar, electric brakes, Snorkel, extension mirrors, your King's 12-volt setup in that locker body, Lithium second battery and DCDC charger, King's fridge, sliding drawer, also your solar power on the roof, Mickey Thompsons with your all-terrains, lower water tank, iDrive throttle controller, and a partridge in a pear tree. It's got everything, guys. So please don't hesitate to give us a call at the dealership. Either speak to Andrew or Glenn. We'll love to show you through this vehicle. But again, it will not last long. Great value for money. And hopefully we found the right Triton for you. Have a great day.